On this episode, I will talk about realistic goal setting. So for example, if you're a player who made on the lineup like this, like 16 break, so probably your next goal should be about 17-24 break. So if you're setting realistic goals, your mind can more easily prepare for the future stress and be confident about to reach the goal. Because if you're setting goals too big, like to make 50 break, your mind will think about that it's not realistic and you will become anxious. Because lots of people are setting huge goals for themselves, and if they are not reaching the goals, they feel themselves disappointed. So set realistic goals, like if you are like 16 break player, so try to make 17 break. So I'm just gonna start. One. And just 7 break already. And just be calm, just don't think about that, oh, I must reach the goal and then I'm gonna be a good player. Just think about what's happening right now. Power it now. There is one book, Eckhart Tolle, Power it now. Eight. So the break is not the most important thing, I'm just showing you an example. 15. And now the last shot for the highest break. Okay guys, so for example, if you're setting unrealistic goals like a 50 break in this case, if you are a 16 break player, so you will be easily irritated and anxious, which is not good for your improvement. So set realistic goals, and in this case, your mind is gonna be focused, calm, and you will be much happier snooker player. So see you in the next episode.
If you want to improve your aiming, cue action, cue ball control mental game, I can help you to take your snooker game to the next level. Snooker coaching benefits live online coaching. Improve your snooker knowledge. Discover a technique which suits you the best. Have a decent strategic, tactical game. Detailed practice plans, analysis, mental toughness and calmness under pressure. Just text me your name, country, and what do you want to improve to my WhatsApp number to Vilius Šultebert, EBC Professional Snooker Coach. Don't wait and book an online or live snooker coaching session now. See you folks!